Nthabiseng, I'm from Soweto, Rockville. We are here today at the Mandela Museum because we are concerned about the ongoing liquidation. It started in 2017 and till today there has not been an outcome. And in 2020, AMA residents of Soweto raised concerns with the government around the liquidation, because the Soweto Heritage Trust that was initiated by Utata Nelson Mandela was shut down because of dysfunction of the governance dysfunction. So because of that, we are here today with a heritage site under liquidation and with uncertainty. We know that it is said that it will go out to tender and an organization will be appointed that will take care of it, but all this has been going on for so long. We are worried that one day we will wake up as the residents of Soweto and we will have this space now being run by abantu bangaphandle and people that don't come from Soweto. So with all that is happening, we appreciate investment in Soweto, we appreciate investment in Vilakazi precinct, but at the same time, this is a national heritage site and government in 2020 promised us that they will intervene. But till today, we haven't had any feedback. So Soweto Tourism had sent letters to Gauteng government, to the presidency, and till today they've never received a response. And yesterday they took out a press release, so we were also made aware about how this thing is still going on. We thought it had been resolved. So it's enough, we cannot have a national heritage site in limbo. We cannot have residents of Soweto not knowing if something is going to be taken from them or not. We need decisive action, and we are asking for our state to intervene in this matter and to do it, in reality, not just with words.
Ngifaka